I have right here a package directly from Japan, and I received it using JPfans. JPfans is a proxy service in Japan. They buy the products you order from them locally in Japan. Then they combine them into one package and send it directly to you as a single consolidated shipment. First, I'll share my experience with JPfans, and then we'll unbox and see what I chose to order directly from Japan. When you want to order items from Japan using JPfans, you go to their website. If you use my affiliate link, you can get additional discounts. There, you'll find a selection of several popular local marketplaces, just like in the USA where you have Amazon or eBay. In Japan, there are also popular stores. You can search for available items and offers, check their prices, and add them to your cart. Then you pay for the items you've selected. After that, JPfans contacts the seller and orders the items you paid for to their local warehouse in Japan. For each item you order, they open the package when it arrives and take 3 photos of the items, so you can check if they look correct and are not damaged. You can also order several items from different sellers. And when everything has arrived at the warehouse and you've checked that everything is correct, you can select the items currently at the warehouse and order to have them shipped to you. First, you'll receive an estimated shipping cost, which you pay. Then, they take the items you selected from the warehouse and pack them into a single box. If they fit, though I'm not sure what would happen if you ordered 100 items. They might not all fit in one package, but a few items can easily fit into a single package. They take an additional 3 photos while packing your box. They weigh it, measure it, and then you receive the final shipping cost. If there's a difference between the estimated cost you paid to Ariel and the final shipping cost, you have to pay the difference. And then they send you this final package. In my package, I ordered items from 3 different sellers. Everything looked good in the photos. And I received this final package. So let's unbox it and I'll show you what I ordered directly from Japan. Here's the first item that I ordered, the Pixelated Pikachu. One big one and the second one, this small one. Let's open them. The first one is this, the big one with a tag. You can see the tag is in Japanese, so a nice pixelated Pikachu. So this is the mascot that I chose. But there are many more items to choose from. You can find something for yourself. And this is the second one. Smaller. Here is this Pokeball mount. And here is yet another, completely authentic Japanese tag. Received directly from Japan, but that's not all. I have 2 more items. Here is a package from one seller and a package from another seller. From this seller, I have 2 packs. These are the packs that I chose. 2 of them are the same, from one seller and from another seller. I have actually gone ahead and ordered those specific 6 packs right there. So those are the exact packs that I ordered from a completely different online seller. So let's unbox them and see if I get anything interesting. And you can see that these are Japanese packs. They have Japanese text on them. So if you're interested in collecting cards from Japan, you have a wide selection of cards right there. And if you do some research, you might find a pretty good deal. You have to look closely. What do the sellers offer? And maybe you'll find a gem. Let's start by opening this package. And the cards from the first pack. Here's a nice shiny one. Another shiny one. Another shiny one. Let's protect the shiny cards. This one is also shiny, but less than the others. Let's open the second pack, the same type as the first pack. Here is the first card, then the second card, the third card, and finally a shiny one. Another shiny one. Normal. This one is extra shiny. Moving on to the next card, then the next one, and the next one, and yet another one. So this time around, we only got 3 shiny ones here. This card is also shiny. Only a little bit, but it is shiny. So we have another 4 shiny cards, and now 6 different packs. Let's start with this one. And will there be any shiny cards? First card, second. Here's a shiny one. Another shiny card. Perfectly normal and normal. The second package. First card, then the second, the third, and lastly, 1 shiny card. And that's all. So only 1 shiny this time. Another pack. One shiny card. And only 1 shiny. This is the next one. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth, all normal, no shiny card this time. And only 2 left. Let's start from this one. First shiny card. Second shiny card. Third, a little bit shiny card. Fourth card, very shiny. Normal and normal. So in this pack, there were 4 shiny cards. And the last pack? What will it be this time? Normal. No shiny cards this time. So in total, I've received a few shiny cards. So if you want to order items from Japan, you can use JPfans to order items locally, and they will deliver those items to you. Whatever you want, mascots, cards, electronics, there is a huge selection of items. And you can use my affiliate link to get additional discounts. You can find more details in the description and in the pinned comment. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.